Hillary Nature Resort, Spa all-inclusive. 5 stars. Experience world-class service at Hillary Nature Resort and Spa all-inclusive, featuring an outdoor swimming pool, a private zoo and a fitness center. This all-inclusive resort offers free Wi-Fi access and a spa in Arenillas. A garden and a restaurant are featured on site. Machala city center is 22 miles away, providing a tranquil environment. The suites and bungalows in Hillary Nature Resort and Spa feature private bathrooms, cable TVs, and mini bars. Piscine is excelente. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.